is another simple question. So what they have given, a person starts from his shop and then walks for 12 meters in the east direction, and then a north direction, and then south. Likewise, they have given some other directions, right? So let me draw the complete direction chart. Is it right? So let me just write this one as east. You have no, and this one as west. So likewise, if you have any doubt, means you take about India. So here this is Western Ghats available, right? So because some people have the confusion of east and west. So Western Ghats available in Kerala. So always west is left side, okay? So opposite of west is east. South you have the Indian Ocean, right? So opposite of south is north. Likewise, you take Indian graph, and so you can take this one as north, and you can take it as south. Okay, it is like Kashmir, okay, Kashmir, and this one as Kanyakumari, okay, and this one is Kolkata. Example I say, and this one as west side you can think of Kerala. Okay, no issues. What they say, a person starts from shop and walk for 12 meters east. Okay, so first one you take it origin. So here the person is standing. Okay, so from he is going for 12 meter in east direction. So here you can go for a 12 meter in east direction and reaches point A. So after 12 meters he is reaching point A. Now he turns north direction, so upside, is it right? So in this direction, and is going for 9 meter, and to reach the point B. So here you can take an assumption is point B, and now from this point he moves in southwest. So southwest means towards south but in west. Okay, southwest means south but also in the west direction. So I can draw in this form. So this is south, is it right? But this is southwest. Okay, SW. So this is also west side, but this is north side. So this one is northwest. So southwest means in this direction only, is it right? So from here is going towards southwest. So he is just reaching once again back, and after for 50 meters, is it right? 50 meters he is taking southwest, and now what he do? He moves towards south direction for 5 meters. So from there he is moving towards south for 5 meters. Okay, now he is at this point, is it right? He is at this point. What is the direction of the final point with respect to initial point? So from this initial point, what is the final point? You take this one as first initial, is it right? It is initial point, and this point is final point. So what is this direction? It is in the downside, right? So automatically this direction is south direction. So a simple thing, you have to give the south direction's answer. Fourth option. If you have doubts, you can comment in the comment box. Thank you very much.